They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be giving you a short tutorial, step-by-step way to apply your lashes. So if you are interested, just stay tuned. Let's go, guys. So first things first, I'm just going to tell you the things that you'll need in order to do this. You will just need a small compact mirror, glue, and I'm going to use hair glue, scissors or something to cut your lashes, because that's a key rule for applying your lashes and getting them to stick. You have to make sure to cut them to the length of your eyelid. So something to cut your lashes, something to apply your lashes. I'm going to be using tweezers as well as an applicator since I'm using hair glue. And then of course you're going to need a pair of lashes. Today I'm going to be applying the A1 Artistry lash in their style Ritzy. This is their newest addition to their collection. I'm so excited. I have not tried them yet, so you guys will be the first to see. So let's get started, guys. So step one, I just grab one of the lashes, get your compact mirror, and hold it in your hand and just look down. That way that you can see the top of your eyelid and you can see what you're doing. So what I'm going to do is just customize the lash to the length of my eyelid. And I gotta cut quite a bit off, so just take my scissors, and I like to get mine just right, so I cut a little less just to make sure, because once you cut there's no going back. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit off and just keep measuring. I'm gonna cut just a little bit more. And this is why some and mine does it. I'm not perfect, but this is why sometimes your lashes do not stick, because you're not cutting them to the length of your eye. Okay, I think I got that perfect. I don't know if you guys can see, but we're gonna do the other side. Step number two, I've already just poured the glue out. You don't need a lot. And I'm going to take my applicator, take my lash first. And when you grab the lash, I grab it in the middle, just like this. And then you're going to take some of the glue, and the glue dries quick, so you kind of want to be ready to apply once you pour it out. And I'm just going to rub glue on the lash band like so, until I get the band covered completely. And then I'm going to also just go along the top of the lash band. Okay, then once you do that, you are ready to apply. So like I said, grab your lash in the center. just right so that you can see what you're doing, and just lay the lash on the center and then adjust it onto your lid, just like that. And then I just go back and I press down just to make sure that it's on there good. Just like that. And it's on. Okay, now we're going to do the other side. I'm not going to talk through this one, I'm just going to do it. They are now on, guys. I love them. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment sections below. I'm going to just do some clips at the end to give you guys a better feel. Now it may look a little crazy because I don't have on any makeup. I just did my brows and applied my lashes, just to give you guys a little quick simple video on how to easily apply your lashes. This method works for me. I don't have any problems. I know some people, a lot of people do use hair glue. Some people use eyelash glue, but my eyes are so sensitive and they water. So this is the only glue that I know that works best for me, that doesn't cause so much for my eye to water, because my eyes still water sometimes, but I think it's a mixture of my foundation or my concealer and then the hair glue. Sometimes it just don't mix, and I'm still trying to figure out what is causing that. But for the most part, guys, since I don't have anything on my face, they just stuck on just so perfectly. It takes a little practice to get this down, but this is the easiest method that I have found. So if you guys would like to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have not already, subscribe, because I got more in store. And then thank you as always for watching, guys. I also forgot to mention, you know that I love and only wear A1 Artistry lashes. Their website is up and running. I will tag it in the description box below. I also have a code where you can get a dollar amount off once you add the lashes into your cart. You can apply with the code AmbitiousK to get a percentage off of your lashes. They have 5 or 6 styles, do not quote me. These are ritzy, the ones that I have now. This is the newest addition, like I said, to their collection. So if you are interested, go check them out. Great mink lashes, guys. Also check out my A1 Artistry haul that I did on the styles that they offer, and much more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live it.